Hello lovelies, welcome back to Kayi's Corner. I'm Kayi, and in today's video I'm going to make some prawn kebab. Today's recipe is very quick and easy to make. Is prawn kebab. So I use tiger prawns. They are quite big. That's just exactly how I like it. So let me show you all the ingredients you're going to need to make this recipe. Bienvenue sur Kayi's Corner, je suis Kayi, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui je partage la recette de brochettes de crevettes avec vous et voilà tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin. I'm mixing all the seasoning properly. Une fois que vous ajoutez tout, faut bien mélanger. I'm gonna cover it up, leave it for half an hour. After that, I'll put it in the oven. Okay, now it's ready to go in the oven. Grill it for 15 to 20 minutes on both sides. The kebab will be ready. It looks so good already. Ready to go in the oven now. So this is my sweet potato. I cut it in medium size and I'm going to bake it for half an hour. I'm going to add some seasoning before putting it in the oven. Vous pouvez l'accompagner avec tout ce que vous voulez, du riz, pommes de terre, salade. You can pair your prawn kebab with any side dish of your choice. Rice, salad, couscous. It's up to you really, but I'm going to pair it with sweet potatoes. First I'm adding some basil, black pepper, a little bit of salt, some rapeseed oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Mix everything properly. Preheat the oven for 5 minutes. 100 degrees and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. Guys, I'm sure you agree with me. It looks so delicious. The potato is ready now. The patates douces sont prêtes, so I'm going to dig in and you guys are invited. Midunulu. Vous êtes invités. Mangeons. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe so you don't miss out on my new uploads. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. C'est la fin de cette vidéo. Si vous avez aimé cette recette, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un pouce bleu, partager avec la famille et les amis. À très bientôt. Au revoir.